Hi everyone, and welcome to Chaz's Lifestyle. In today's episode, I will be showing you how I make this upscale creamy mac and cheese. Stay tuned. All of my ingredients will be listed down below in the description box, so if you're interested in the recipe, be sure to check that out. So here I have this different style macaroni pasta. You can use the pasta you'd like, but this is the one I wanted to go with today. So I am going to start boiling that. While my pasta is cooking, I will start with a roux. So I have my heat on a medium low. In a pot, I'm adding in some real buttercream, and I'm going to let that melt in. Now for today's recipe, I am using some freshly shredded white cheddar cheese, but you can use the mild cheddar cheese, the sharp cheddar cheese, the mixed cheese. It's really up to you, but this is a personal preference. I'd like to go with the white cheddar cheese just for a different flavor for today. So I will be mixing that in until it creates a smooth-like texture. I went ahead and turned off my heat. It's pretty hot to my liking. You want it to thicken up, so to do so, you want to turn off your heat. Now I drained my pasta and I'm adding that into the cheese mixture. So I'm mixing my pasta in that cream sauce, and this will also help it thicken up. And I'm going to let it sit for about 30 seconds to 1 minute to help it thicken up, and then I will continue to stir it until it's thickened to my liking. The longer it sits, the thicker it will become. So as you can see, it's starting to cream up a little bit more. Now I let it sit for an additional 1 minute. And as you can see, it's perfectly creamy. It's not too thick, anything like that. It's perfect. So now I will be filling up these baking dishes. I am going to bake this for just about 15 to 20 minutes. Since I'm not using eggs and everything's cooked, all I need is my cheese to really melt in very well, and I'm going to create a light crispy topping. So I will bake it just for 15 to 20 minutes on 400. So make sure you preheat your oven as you're doing this. And as you can see, I'm layering it with mozzarella cheese. Now this will create that perfect cheese pool, not just the cheese pool, but also that rich flavor Okay, so that's why I call it the upscale mac and cheese, just certain products that I use. Now, people do incorporate it with seafood to create more of an upscale recipe like crab, fresh crab meat, shrimp, anything like that you want to add, go for it. So once I have my baking dishes filled to the top, make sure it's not overflowing too much. You can use a regular baking pan if so, you do have enough to do that. I'm just gonna add some of that freshly shredded white cheddar cheese on top.